So what is SCAMPER? Okay. S, substitute. C, combine. So substitute means how we can, substitute with something else. Is there anything that we can do? Is there any other feature that we can look at? Is there any alternate that we can look at? Combine means for a particular solution, can we combine two things, three things together and, close one step? See here, we have an ultimate example, substitute, right? Combine. So how we can combine three things, two things together. Suppose if I give an example of, let's do one activity. Let's talk about a phone. Let's say iPhone, right? So in phone, if I have to look at, so you have a button on side, right? So substitute. How do you use that button, or let's say a light? How you can use it alternatively? Combine in the sense, same button, there are two, will be, there'll be, use same button will be used for multiple feature, multiple options, if we can use it together. How do we look at adapt? How do we look at something very different and using, new things, new ideas out, in the same thing, how we can adapt something new in that particular solution? How do you modify the feature in the sense what task we are doing right now? If a particular button is there, how do we see that if there is an easier way to do it, if there is a better way to do it? That is called modify the solution. Put to another use, same option. How do we cross train? How do we cross function? How that solution can be deployed for other uses as well. So that's called put to use. Eliminate. Is there anything that we can actually eliminate? If there is anything which is not adding value, which we can remove it off? Can we simplify a process, make it smaller, make it better, make it cost effective? That's called eliminate. This is very nice and important point. Especially when you look at a process flow, you have to ask these questions. How can we simplify? How do we reduce the non-essential part? How do we make it smaller, better? That's where even computer earlier, what was the size of computer, and now what is the size of computer? It is within the cell phone. So that comes to eliminate. Then reverse, how we can use it alternatively, right? Exchange the rules, reverse the things. Is there any change or benefit that we can do, we can get after reversing the system?